Every morning, you wake up with that same dull ache in your legs, and every night you go to bed feeling it again. For some, it's a heaviness that makes the first step out of bed feel like climbing a hill. For others, it's that deep, nagging discomfort that follows you through the day. Most people think it's just part of aging, something you have to accept, but in truth, it's often weakness caused by years of missing the right nutrition. The good news? You don't need expensive pills, endless physio sessions, or painful treatments to change this. You can end this weakness naturally with one simple spoonful you prepare in minutes and store for the whole month, plus one warm cup of high-protein goodness each morning that feeds your muscles, eases joint strain, and melts away leg pain. If you're over 60, your body is losing muscle faster than it can rebuild. This process, called sarcopenia, is one of the biggest reasons walking feels harder, balance becomes shaky, and climbing stairs leaves you winded. The right nutrition can slow it down and even reverse it, but only if you give your body the fuel it actually needs. And we're not talking about expensive powders or mysterious supplements. We're talking about real, natural foods, the same kinds our elders relied on for strength and endurance. Here's how to make it. Start with equal parts of almonds, packed with protein, magnesium, and vitamin E to repair and strengthen muscle fibers. Add walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that calm inflammation and keep joints flexible. Include fennel seeds, a powerful digestive aid that improves circulation, making sure every nutrient reaches your muscles. Finally, add mishri, a gentle, natural source of energy that won't spike your blood sugar. Grind them all into a fine powder and store in a jar. Just 1 teaspoon a day is enough, and a single jar will easily last you a month. Now, for the second part, the morning drink that supercharges this mix. Before going to bed, soak 4 to 5 almonds in a small bowl of water. Overnight, they soften and release enzymes that make them easier to digest. In the morning, peel off the skins. This step helps your body absorb more nutrients and crush them into a smooth paste. Pour 1 cup of milk into a pot and bring it to a rolling boil, not just warm. The boiling makes it safe and enhances its protein structure. As the steam rises and the rich aroma fills your kitchen, stir in your almond paste. Let it simmer for 1 minute so the flavors blend and the nutrients combine. Turn off the heat and allow the milk to cool until warm. Now add 1 teaspoon of your dry mix and 1 teaspoon of honey. Remember, honey should always go in after cooling to preserve its powerful enzymes and healing properties. Give it a good stir and your strength drink is ready. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and wait at least an hour before breakfast. This timing ensures your body absorbs every drop of nutrition and directs it straight to your muscles, joints, and bones. Many seniors start noticing changes in just 10 to 15 days. Walking feels lighter, leg pain fades, and energy lasts well into the evening. Each ingredient plays a role. Almonds rebuild muscle tissue and prevent further loss. Walnuts soothe inflammation and protect your joints. Fennel seeds improve digestion and boost circulation, delivering nutrients where they're needed. Mishri gives steady, sustained energy. Honey adds gentle healing and supports immunity, and milk strengthens bones with calcium and casein protein, a slow digesting protein that fuels your body for hours. If you have diabetes, reduce or skip the mishri and monitor your blood sugar closely. If you have nut allergies, this recipe is not for you, and always speak with your doctor before starting any new dietary habit, especially if you have a health condition. I've seen countless seniors transform their mornings with this habit. One woman in her 70s told me she used to dread standing up after sitting for too long. Now she walks her garden every morning without holding on to anything. Another gentleman who struggled with stairs now climbs them twice a day without pain. The change wasn't instant, but it was steady, and it stayed. The secret isn't doing something extreme. It's giving your body the right kind of fuel every single morning before you use it. Think of it as charging your internal battery before starting your day. 1 spoon, 1 cup, 1 hour before breakfast, and you're giving yourself the gift of movement, balance, and strength. So tomorrow morning, instead of pouring tea or coffee, take this cup of natural power. Feel its warmth in your hands. Enjoy its rich, nutty flavor, and know that with every sip, you're rebuilding your strength from the inside out. Try it for 2 weeks and then share your results. I'd love to hear how your mornings change. Age might be beyond our control, but how strong and steady we feel each day is entirely in our hands.